Hi kiddos! Today we are going to read a new book. I'm super excited about this book. The title of this book is Going on a Bear Hunt. Have you ever heard of that song, We're Going on a Bear Hunt? I really like that song. So I want to read the title of this book now the way that it goes in the song. And if you know the song, then say the title of the book like that with me. All right, are you ready? Going on a bear hunt. That was a lot of fun. This book is retold by Margie Sigmund and illustrated by Elena Selivanova. Let's take a look at the back of the book to see what it's about. Looking for bears, hunting for bears sounds scary, but Jack, Amy, and Mike aren't afraid. Or are they? And I see the name Jack under this picture, so this must be Jack. And I see the name Amy under this picture, so this must be a picture of Amy. And I see the name Mike under this picture, so this must be Mike. All right, are you ready to get started on this book? Because I sure am. All right, let's go back to the beginning. Let's sing the title of this book together again. Going on a bear hunt. Great job. It is retold by Margie Sigmund and illustrated by Elena Selivanova. Oh, let me move my face. All right, there we go. We're going on a bear hunt. We're looking for a big one. We're not afraid. Which way do we go? And do you know what this symbol is called over here, this white thing? This is called a speech bubble. Speech bubbles can help us see who it is that is speaking. So this is a picture of Mike. So then this means that Mike says, let's go that way. Ooh. Look, there's tall, tall grass. We can't go under it. We can't go over it. We have to go through it. Swish, swash, swish, swish, swash. We made it. Let's keep going. Which way do we go? Amy says, let's go that way. Look, it's a deep, deep river. We can't go under it. We can't go over it. We have to go through it. Splish, splash, splish, splash. And look at them. I see Mike taking off his boots, and I see Amy and Jack. They have them around their necks, and they're holding their backpacks over their heads. This way their belongings do not get wet. We made it! Let's keep going. Which way do we go? Jack says, let's go that way. How do you think Jack knows which way to go? I see a sign over here, and they're going on a bear hunt, so that must be how Jack knows which way he's going, because over here I can see a picture of a bear, so he's following the signs. Good thinking, Jack. Look, it's a big, big mud puddle. We can't go under it. We can't go over it. We have to go through it. Squish, squash, squish, squash. It's a cave. It's dark in there. Shh. I hear something. Grrr. What do you think they hear? Ooh, I'm getting a little nervous. I wonder what they're going to see. Should I turn the page? All right. It's a bear! Go through the mud puddle, squish squash, squish squash. Go through the river, splish splash, splish splash. Go through the grass, swish swash, swish swash. Whew. They must have been really scared because look at how fast they're going. They didn't even take off their boots when they went in the river. Whew. We're home. Quick, shut the door. We're safe. Amy says, let's go again. What did you think of that story? What do you notice about Amy? I cannot believe that Amy wants to go again. If I saw a bear, I would be super scared and I would not want to go again. Would you go again even if you saw a bear? Did you like this book? I love this book. It was a lot of fun. I cannot wait to read this book with you next time. I hope that you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye!